Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so for those who know they are aware, so Bukayo Saka don't win the PFA Young Player of the Year. That is the Professional Football Association Player of the Year. So now people when they play ball and then vote who go win this award. So are they very happy to say our star boy don't win them. I know say Erling Haaland also they nominated for the award. Martinelli they nominated, Moses Casemiro they nominated. So as Saka can beat all these people can win them, are they very happy. It really shows the work where Saka they do is appreciated by his peers. Although Erling Haaland win the Player of the Year, he gets, but I said that Saka win the Young Player of the Year. So Saka said come aside from media setting, can they like appreciate the people who vote for that? Because to say it is a thing of honor that your peers, like people you and then in the same industry, come vote for you. Say they see what you do, like you really try. And for the fact that Saka don't play like 83 consecutive games for Arsenal, something don't span over 2 seasons to show you how great this guy don't be. And it's just like 21, 22. This guy never ever reached maybe 25 years or maybe 27 years. Like he has a lot of years in his hands. I just be very happy for the Pidgin, but maybe they don't go overuse that one. I be my own thing why they tell Ateta because you know is you imagine 83 consecutive games and he's still very young. Which means by the time he will finish Arsenal career, if he still remains at Arsenal, this guy if he don't play up to like 400 games for Arsenal, get that severe. Alright, so away from that, so Saliba also named for the team of the year. Again, that 2022-2023 season, they named Saliba as one of the outstanding players. And this is not why Saliba is trending, because when you check Twitter, you see Saliba the trend all through the night, Saka the trend all through the night. So Saliba has been named in the team of the year for season, like 2 different countries. We're talking about France, we're talking about England. Remember someone was sent him to Olympic Marseille. He played so well, they had to add him in the team of the year. He gets for England now, they don't add him also for the team of the year. For you to know, say Saliba really tried. Like he played very well for Arsenal. So back-to-back team of the year. So everybody they very happy with Saliba, and that is why people like me they give that argument, say we lost the league majorly because Saliba was not at the back to calm down things. He was not leading the helm of affairs in our back line. He was saying they there cool, calm and collected. Because they remind me of the interview where they were fighting and do with Zinchenko. Listen, as Zinchenko gives Saliba that name Rolls Royce. If you check on that Saliba comment section, you will see anywhere when they put RR. When you see now Rolls Royce was Zinchenko to say the guy is very good, Rolls Royce, very good, calm under pressure. Zero mistakes. He doesn't make mistakes. So we did very happy with Saliba. No wonder Arsenal try their possible best to make sure they give him an extended contract, and thank God he signed the contract so he don't deal with us. So much of see what the future holds. Alright, don't let there stop. You know what it says Saliba, Ramsdale, Odegaard, and Bukayo Saka, they also make the team of the year. So now we celebrate Saliba, we had 4 players in the team of the year. For that team of the year, no Liverpool player did there. I don't even know whether Chelsea player did. I know too low, but I know say Arsenal and Man City now dominates that place, and Harry Kane there for the starting 11 also. So very nice team of the year to show you to know say Arsenal really get some kind of outstanding players. Imagine Aaron Ramsdale being in the team of the year, which means he was the most outstanding goalkeeper, even though now they collect the safe hands. I would say they call that keeper award. We collect most clean sheets and they collect that one. But still now Ramsdale still there for this. So I just very happy with this guy. So make them try to carry on the same form and make Ateta also help them by placing them in the place where we see they go shine very well. So not just the watch. On to our next game. Remember, Manchester United will play next. Alright, so based on everything that happened to William Saliba, so I don't think it would be wrong or out of place for us to also celebrate Unai Emery. Do you know that it was Unai Emery that signed William Saliba from Saint Etienne. You get now Emery sign am. So to say Emery don't see the potential of the player, you get no, the scouting department going to say, almost see this young boy really play for Saint Etienne. The boy is very, very good. It will make sense for sign him. We can't sign and still drop him back there. So okay, still continue your development. He can still come, we sell him to Ojines, he come back again, we sell him to Marseille, come back again, can they flourish. You get that is why Saliba the vex before. When you don't really understand why Arteta they send them out on loan, but later he can't understand. When they thank Arteta say yes, those loans were good for my development. Even though people they argue that time, this actually the starter. I was saying leave him, let him go out and grow. Today now, I don't see how the reverse used to be the case now. So at the end of the day, we are thanking Unai Emery for everything he did for us by purchasing this Saliba, I guess. So at least one of the great things we Emery do for us. Emery really try for us. So that is why till tomorrow there will still be arguments that Arsenal did not really give him the kind of support they gave Arteta. Some will say it is because Arteta won the cup. He gets early on in his career, in his managerial career. Maybe now what make the customer they give him time. Who knows? Or is it because Unai Emery struggles to speak English? You get when they say good evening, you know, whether like all those things they cost everything. I don't know, but let's just be watching. Alright, so as I let you know, say Ivan Fresneda don't move to Sporting Lisbon. You get now, nobody say the guy move, now they vex me. But how much Rival don't need last sell this player? 12 million pounds you get with add-ons included. They say now 9 million cash, like fixed fee, then 3 million in add-ons. We offered more than this, you get, but they don't really sell the player to us. Last, can you imagine how much it's going for? You get, so now what's called they bust my brain. I don't know whether that because River that will need go relegation. And that's why they can't reduce that valuation because the thing shocked me. So far so good. The player don't, because I don't say then they were saying we and Borussia Dortmund and we they really fight for the player, but last Borussia Dortmund just remove their interest. Arsenal interest just go cold. I don't really know why, but at the end of the day, the player don't go. So I said we can let you know because I know say we are really interested in signing this player. So don't come up for our hand. Alright, so Zinchenko come aside again, come to talk say Thomas Partey now be the most underrated player for EPL because people don't really see the dirty jobs that he does get, and he don't know why because they don't really nominate him for accolades, like he don't really win things, but he's doing something very important in the Arsenal setup because referring accolade ask and say between Thomas Partey and Casemiro, who you go choose? Because you go choose Thomas Partey any day, anytime, but no say normal because Casemiro don't win like 5 Champions League, so people will rate him highly. But we're not talking about what you win because according to Paul Merson, Casemiro is not a spectacular player. He just played with spectacular players, like individually. He no be world class, but he play with world class players, and those world class players now he can help them win things. And since in there for the squad, he won those things with them because they go eventually give him the medal. But when you talk of individual performances, what has he done for Manchester United? So Baba just talk plenty things, get, but it is what it is. Everybody get their own preference, get. So you get some attributes where Casemiro gets, where Thomas Partey no get. There's some attributes where Thomas Partey gets, where Casemiro also no get. At least see now Partey don't learn versatility. They enter right back just in case of necessity in the future. So maybe all our fullbacks, their suspension, injury, sickness, they can still draft Partey. So yeah, go there, go cover based on see when they will come back there. So Zinchenko preference, now say Partey will take him any day, anytime. So in short, since when you don't play ball, the greatest defensive midfielders we don't play with now Fernandinho, Rodri, and this Partey. So these three, say they come up for them, say they're too much. Alright, so fans they ask Arsenal to request for Mudryk get an Emil Smith Rowe swap deal. So since Chelsea they discussed say they won't carry Emil Smith Rowe, although Arsenal rejects the deal, say they don't want, they're not interested. But fans will say if we really want to do the deal, so we'll call them Mudryk, no give them Emil Smith Rowe. So I say make a carry and comment because you see a lot of things are going on Twitter. Also we do on Twitter in case you are not aware. We are on Twitter, just search for us, CHUKS Arsenal TV. So we are always posting there. Twitter just give us some kind, I don't know, leverage, you get. Unlike Facebook, but it's easy to just tag Arsenal, you know, tag many things, like connect with a lot of like-minded, no just be like doing Facebook day because it's a different platform. So we are trying to build that platform also as we don't get like 80,000 community members on Facebook. So if you're on Twitter, follow us, get CHUKS Arsenal TV, or you tag us at Video CHUKS Media. You don't see the picture for the screen, so you follow us, let's see what you're talking about. So as we talk, so the thing they trend on Twitter. So as I make I bring the thing to now notice. What do you not think? Arsenal swapping on Smith Rowe and collecting Mudryk. Even though Mudryk don't play that 19 games, never score 1 goal for Chelsea. Some people feel say if they can't come Arsenal go use them better. She been like so they talk about Havertz. So far so with 3 games gone, Havertz never really show us why we pay £65 million for them. I'm still saying let's be patient. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, so we're going to hear from Fabrizio Romano say Tavares, here we go. Tavares don't finish, they don't agree the deal. So Tavares will move to Nottingham Forest and it's going to be a loan with an option to buy. We're talking about a £12 million option. I guess if the Nottingham Forest value the player and they can't feel say we would like to get this player for our squad, so they go pay Arsenal 12 million. Me and if you say that 12 million, it did too cheap. Yeah, because at least another kind 22 million now won't sell the player. And some people are not even aware that Tavares is one of the fastest players in world football. Go check top fastest players, like top 20 in world football. Tavares did there, guy get blistering pace. So that's why some people are bringing the argument that Arteta can even convert this player to a winger because he like to always bump, go forward, in pace and die. You get when he sprints past players. So I don't know, more just but it don't be so we don't lose the player. We say we don't lose them because the stage we did now. You get some kind of players so we say we don't need bigger than them. Like they can't play for Arsenal anymore. For example, now look at Smith Rowe. In as much as we all agree he's very good, if they say make everybody put that preferred Arsenal first level, Smith Rowe no smell am. Get for you to see how far we have come. Once upon a time, like this same nigga, if you name no for the first level with the para, today if you name no day, go no worry. It's as good as second 11 for you to know where we dey now. Alright, at the same time, we're going to hear from Fabrizio Romano say Ansu Fati say Barcelona don't offer him to people like Tottenham Hotspur and Chelsea, and I'm very surprised. Even at this same Ansu Fati where Arsenal go meet them say Alpha, they talk say it's our heritage, it's our culture, it's our this, it's our that. It's not for sale. Get last time we hear say Ansu Fati they really like the guy they check say more blessing go find squirrel because from what we are hearing this morning, Barcelona don't open talks with Atletico Madrid to collect Joao Felix because Joao Felix already talking for the public domain saying now back at me I don't want to play for anybody. Like I've been a Barcelona fan since I did small. Back I said don't battle that flow. So they are trying to see how they go make the deal possible and FFP no go really affect them. So if you are Ansu Fati, when you look say Dembele they there before when they cover your space. You know if you play all those kind of Ferran Torres get they block you Rafinha them. So Dembele don't go good. After at least coach go look my side. Now they won't come bring Joao Felix. So that's why Fatina don't they like rethink say I won't find my square root. So how it will be now is Arsenal going to go back to the race. This is why we say Pepe now don't for Arsenal. Pepe no one come out, and before you know that transfer window go close. So Arsenal fit left with Pepe on the wing. So there are so many variables on the table. We'll just see how Arsenal will just maneuver all these things. Alright, so that one's beautiful news when they hear from Manchester United camp, and that the fact say Raphael Varane don't get injured for that Nottingham Forest match and play last, and he's going to be out for at least 6 weeks. So now Kave Solekor of Sky Sports, now they let me know all this one. I think I can let you know. So far so good. For the play Manchester United, Varane if no day there. And if he no day, there will be a bit weaker. So we'll be expecting a Harry Maguire to come and do some own goals. At the same time, they don't get left back. They try to deal with Cucurella from Chelsea on loan to come and help them. But whether they will sign the guy on time to come and face Saka 1v1, I never really know. They will be facing the young PFA player of the year again for the first time after they collect that award. We also with Manchester United. Sure, if Saka has a nice game, we go win that man because it's going to be at the Emirates. And for those that are not aware, we are like 6 games unbeaten against Manchester United at the Emirates. So if they come this time, this is going to be their 7th trial for them to beat us. So in the previous years, like they did difficult for Man U to beat Arsenal. So it is what it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of the screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.